I told you there is one simple technique, it is so simple that anyone can do. You do not need any fancy tools, you do not need any fancy app subscription, you just need a pen and paper. But that technique can actually help you manifest faster, it can help you reduce overthinking, and it can help you feel more positive. This is very simple and small technique, and I am not saying it is a woo because I have myself done it, and the results are always so impressive and so shocking that this practice is now my daily ritual. So, hi, my name is Sona, and I'm here to help you manifest your dream life faster with identity shift and detachment practice. Before we go into the exact method and exact practice, just subscribe to the channel because I come with many manifestation techniques that help you actually manifest your desire very fast. So subscribe and let's go into the topic. So I was talking about one practice that anyone can do it, and it will change something inside you, and it will actually give results. So what you have to do is you have to take a pen and a paper. The top of the page, write Dear Universe, and then write 100 times. Show me how good it gets. Show me how good it gets. You have to actually write 100 times. You do not have to think about anything, just your pen, your paper, and your mind just writing down and again and again and again. Show me how good it gets. Show me how good it gets. Show me how good it gets. This sentence is actually so powerful that it will really shift your reality. I will tell the neuroscience behind it. I will tell the spiritual angle. I will tell everything. I will break down this practice because I have actually done it, and this is my daily ritual. I'm going to show you my notebook. I have actually written 100 times, Dear Universe, show me how good it gets. Don't care about your writing. Don't care about which color pen should I use, when to write, evening, morning. This does not matter because many of the coaches, they say write with a red pen, write with a blue pen, or write with a black pen, write in early in the morning, just when you wake up, writing late at night when you are going to sleep. Okay. No, I just write when I get time. I just write when I get time. I do not have any rules on this, no paper color, no pen color, no timing, just a daily practice that has actually shifted. So why this is so powerful? Because you are telling universe, please show me how good it gets. Show me how my reality can be better. Show me how beautiful my life can be. Show me something that my logical mind cannot even think of. So when I started this technique, without having any hopes of for it, just one day when I was very overthinking, I was I actually needed this manifestation to happen. I actually needed this desire to come true. And I was just vibrating at in the lack position. And then just I opened my notebook and wrote for the first day, I just wrote it for 50th time, show me universe how good it gets, show me universe how good it gets. I was just keep repeating this while I was writing. And then I just work. I was not attached to any of the thing. I was not expecting something to happen immediately. For the first time, I was actually not expecting anything from it. So the day when I just wrote it, and within few hours, something happened. So I was desiring money because I needed bills to pay, EMIs to clear. So my main goal was only money. So I'm all about into financial freedom, money manifestation, and all this. So I was only desiring money, and in that time, 15 to 20 days will happen, and I didn't meet any sale. I needed EMIs to clear. I had bills to pay. So just on that day, I wrote Shuni Universe how good it gets, and within few hours, I was not expecting. Please be here noted that I was not expecting. I was completely detached. I just wrote and forget about it that I had written. So this is also the key in that you need to be detached today, and then you will obsessively be attached to that universe. I have written, now show me. No, that does not work. I was completely detached from it, and within few hours, a big client, a high ticket client, come to me from nowhere. I was not even expecting anything, and it happened. I am not exaggerating. This is my daily ritual. See the attached pictures. I am writing it every single day. And to be honest, every single day is a sales day for me. Every single day is a day where I make money. And this is scientifically proven also that when you write something again and again, your brain actually filters it out. When you are writing, your brain gets actually activated. So don't do typing. Many people they type. Don't type. You have to write it. Okay? You have to write it. Because when you write, your brain gets activated, and when your brain gets activated, your reticular activating system filters opportunities that you cannot see. And when you write, show me how good it gets, you are telling your brain that there is more goodness in life, because your brain it is trained to always focus on the negative side. And when you write it, show me how good it gets, then the good word tells your brain that, oh, there is more goodness in your life that needs to be looked for. Third, it actually shows the gratitude to the universe, because when you say that show me how good it gets, show me how good it gets, then you are telling universe that my life is already good. Your care, with your utmost care and utmost blessings, I can get more good in life. I can have more good in life. And from spiritual angle also, having deeply gratitude towards it, and having complete belief to the superior, to the universe, or anyone you believe in. This what will happen when you write it 100 times and then you detach, you are broadcasting the frequency that you are having utmost belief to the superior, to the universe, or anyone you believe in, that they will give you a path, they will give you a roadmap to know how good it gets. So in neuroscience way, it gives you positivity, it shows gratitude, and gratitude actually boosts serotonin and dopamine in your brain. Third, writing it down activates your brain so your brain can filter out the opportunities that needs to be looked for. Number four, when you write it and then you detach from it, and not obsessively you need to attach, when you detach from it, then also your body stays in a calm state, and your body shifts from the flight and fight to calm state, and in the calmness everything attracts to you. And from spiritual angle also, when you actually say this or write this, you are broadcasting, or you are telling the universe that you believe in universe so much that they will give you a clear path, they will show you how good it gets. Start from today, start from now, because this will actually change your life. Here are few rules that to be mentioned, because many people they do wrong and but it's not working, because it will. I have complete trust and complete guarantee that it will work. First, do it anytime in the day, anywhere, anytime. No any color pencil and no any aesthetic materials required. Number two, write it and leave it. This is the most important rule. Write it and leave it. If you write it and then continuously you are saying, oh, I have written, nothing is happening, then sorry. This method will also not work. Write it and leave it. And whenever any thought arrives, just remind yourself, or just say it out loud. Universe, show me how good it gets. Or just remind you, things are coming to me. Good things are coming to me. You have to actually shift it. This is the number two rule. That is the most important. Any thought arrives, just say it out loud. Show me, universe, how good it gets. Or whisper in your mind, good things are coming. Good things are coming. This is how your brain redirects your energy to positivity. Number three, feel the change and make it as a daily ritual, because your life is going to be so good. Just you need a small identity shift and a sprinkle of detachment, because universe is already unfolding so many beautiful things for you, but you are so obsessively attached. That shows that you do not trust the universe. And if you actually trust the superior, the universe, the god, or anyone you believe in, leave it to them. How it's gonna happen, it is not your job, because your logical mind will never map out how beautifully life is going to surprise you. So if you want anything, it could be impossible. The universe is never on the budget. It could 1 lakh very high income for you, but for universe, it's just a snap. Okay, so it's just like a blink of the eye, and the universe can give you 10 lakh 100 crores. I'm not even joking, bro. Literally, because universe is not on budget, so ask more, believe that it's yours, detach, write 100 times and see the difference. Comment if you are starting this practice from today itself and subscribe for more because I come up with detachment relationship practices to help you manifest your dream life at a lightning version. So we will meet in the next video with a new practice, with the new information. Till then, subscribe, keep manifesting, and tell to the universe that show me how good it gets.